Hello everyone, myself Dr. Triparna Saha, and currently on my YouTube channel we are talking about how to write simple code for Python that will be helpful for you if you are working or if you are interested in working in AI and ML strategies. So today we are going to talk about the program number 8. Earlier to this particular program we have this many number of videos. Already 9 videos are there, and in that 9 videos we have talked about how to write different type of or 7 different type of codes using Python. Today it's about the 10th video and the program number 8. In this particular program, we are going to talk about how to write a simple Python program implementing if, elif and else. These 3 statements. So suppose we need to execute a program where the input value can be any value between positive value 0 or negative value. And if the value is 0, the output should be 0. If the value is greater than 0, our output should be the value is positive. And if the given value is less than 0, the output should be the value is negative. This thing we want, that is based on the sign of that particular value, we need to determine whether the value is a positive, negative or a 0 value. So what or how we can write this particular program? Here suppose one variable we have taken, that is the x variable, and x variable has been given a value. Suppose initially we are giving a value 0. So we need the output, this particular output, right? So what we are first checking? We are first checking if x value is greater than 0. So how to write this if statement? So here you need to write if, then give a space, then whatever the logic you want to implement, that is our logic is the value should be greater than 0. So then x greater than 0. That could be greater than equal to 0, it could be less than equal to, different syntaxes are there, you need to check those, and these are similar type of syntaxes as we have already completed in the MATLAB or in the C programming. So if the value is greater than 0, then this particular is the logic we have written. Then to terminate the if statement, you need to give this colon. Then the if statement syntax has been completed. So you need to write down the if, then your logic, then a colon. Then what do you need this if statement to do? We need to print. So we are giving a print, then the value is positive. And how this particular print statement has been working, that we have talked about in the earlier videos. So please refer to the videos. I am not doing the same thing again and again. Now suppose I need to write down the else if statement. For this else if statement, this is the syntax, that is elif. This is for the else if, that is elif, right? Then our logic, whatever the logic you feel that is it should be there. Then again give a colon. Then this else if statement has been completed. Now just check one thing, that if you have written this if, so in the whatever you want the thing to be done within that if statement, for that you need to give over here a tab. This has been given by a tab. Similar type of thing, that is tab has been given. Suppose this here we are over here. So suppose here this is automatically going you to this thing. This there is a tab is there, right? If you want to backspace this, then this is the backspace. Then you can delete it. Then go over here. Then go. Just check this. This is basically a tab is there. We to give a tab, so that means whatever the things have been written after giving the tab, that will be executed under this else if condition. And if the condition is else, then if is there, then else if. You can write more than one number of else if, that is elif. You can write one time if and more than one number of time elif. But your else can be only one, that is when this statement has not been satisfied and this statement has not been satisfied. Both of the statement is not satisfied. So whatever be the remaining thing, that will be over here. So in that else, you need not write any logic over here, or you should not write any logic. You cannot write any logic over here, as if the statement has been, or whatever with the logic you are trying to execute or need to check. If that is not satisfied by if and it is not satisfied by else if, then automatically it will be satisfied by else statement. Again we need to give what? Colon over here. and after that we are writing this particular statement to justify the whatever be the thing you need to run within the else statement. So that is the print, that is we need to print the value is negative. So after this we are just running currently. So it has been saved in the desktop. So how to run? We need to open the command prompt. So in the command prompt we need to make the current folder to desktop. So I am making it to desktop. Now in the desktop, what I need to run? That is the Python proj08.py. How to run this code? For that already one video has been uploaded in the YouTube. You can check this. So this we have written. So result is 0. Now just check, I am making it 9. So the result should be positive. Now just see when making it negative. So okay, just I haven't saved it. So let me save it. Just saved it. Now just check. So the result is not negative. So if or I can say that is this particular program has been executed properly. That is, I have given 3 different type of condition and each of the time correct. If and else statement satisfied, and that the result has been printed. Now, so you have completed this if part. Now in your program, suppose you need to write much amount of code, that there will be another code based on the suppose the result on this if else or whatever is the thing. You need to go on writing another code within the same code folder. So what you can do? So what we have done for the else, there is a tab, right? For else if also tab, this if is also tab. But if you, this is called indent. Now if you de-indent it, that is we have removed the tab. So it is in the same line. Just check, if is here, else is here, and else is here. In the same line, we are writing another statement. So that means this statement will not be executed under this else statement. If we have given this over here, just let me just show you. Just make it a delete. Just keep it over here, and the result has been -9. So this else should have been executed. Now just check what is the result. See that the execution is completed. This line has been extra from this particular result, right? So if you have give the tab, if you do not give the tab, now just save it. Now just run the particular program. Now this is for that the value is negative. So you can find that these are the two same results actually. So make me change it. Let me make it a positive number. Now just check. So see. So what happens over here if you remove this tab and it is make in the same axis of this or same orientation or same line in this if, so that means that it's going to denote that the if and else execution has been completed, and after the completion whatever be the program you are writing, here you need to remove the tab. So this is our program. So I hope you can understand how to write the code using if and else statement in the Python. So this is for today's video, and thank you everyone for watching this particular video, and happy studying.